Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, depending on when this video is going to be played. I greet everyone in this event today. My name is Onyekwere, and I thank Sophia for making this possible. I wish I could be there in person, but I can't. I will try my best to give value as if I was there. So we're going to talk about DevRel and how DevRel can assist AI in the widespread of AI in the space we are today. So I will share my screen and then we can begin from there. So yeah, the role of DevRel in AI. We want to be fast and precise as we can. So my name is Onyekwere. I am a DevRel and DevMore expert. Been there for 6 years, building awareness, adoption, and advocacy for developer products. Currently managing and I'm managing Bcamp, which is a learning platform to build and grow more DevRel talents and DevMore talents in the field. So here's the first question, basics. What is DevRel? So think about it for a moment before I go to the answer. Ask yourself, I think you may have seen this DevRel on Twitter, DevRel on LinkedIn, or Facebook. What do you think it is? What have you known it to be? Think about it, guess it in your mind, then we'll see if your guess and your answer is the same as the next slide that has the answer. What is DevRel? So DevRel, it's short, it stands for developer relations. The dev there is for developer, and then the rel there is for relations. So DevRel. It is a tech career, it's a tech field. Just like you have software engineering, just like you have, marketing, so it's a tech field. But then inside this tech field, the focus of DevRel is to build relationship between a company that has a product and developers who use the company's products. So we're trying to build a relationship. We're trying to make sure developers are happy using products. So if a company has a new product, DevRel people or those in DevRel take that product and go and tell developers about it and help developers use the product. So that's DevRel. There are so many fields in DevRel. We have developer advocates, documentation engineers, technical writers, developer marketers, community managers. There's so many careers in this field. But ultimately, all the careers have one purpose in mind. How do we take this product and give developers, and how do we help developers to use this product very well? So that's what DevRel is. Now, what is AI? I think you may have known the answer in this event, maybe not, but then AI basically is short for artificial intelligence. So it is the ability for computers, machines to perform tasks that normally humans should do that, right? So when computers begin to do things that humans are supposed to do, they will say it's artificial intelligence, trying to mimic human intelligence. For example, computers can now identify a cat and a dog. A 5-year-old can do that. AI can do that. But then that basically what it means. We get to see AI in different capacities. That GPT can have conversations. So yeah, this normally shouldn't be happening, but it's happening. That's why I said it's artificial, but it's intelligence based off of how humans can also have intelligence. So that's what AI is all about. Now, how does DevRel make AI better? I mean, not better in sense of the technology, but then better in how the spread of it is affecting developers right now. So what role does DevRel play in the AI space? In the entire AI boom, in the entire AI, craze, what role does DevRel play? We're going to consider 3 roles. There's so many roles, but then our focus this morning is going to be on 3 roles. Sorry, let me do this. Yeah, so 3 roles. First is getting developers closer. Sorry, getting AI, yeah, same thing. Getting developers close to AI, getting AI close to developers. So what this means is that maybe some of you as developers in this event have known about AI, Gemini, or GPT, or any other AI, but have you used them? Now, if you've used them, in what capacity have you used them? Just to ask questions for exams or something? Have we used them to build software before? Have we used them to assist your own work before? Now, that's the entire thing that DevRel are trying to do. DevRel will take AI in different capacities and tell developers how developers can use AI to make it better for them. It could be writing articles. Probably you've asked, how can ChatGPT help me to build a JavaScript API better? Probably you've searched about it and you see articles, blog posts, people are trying to explain how you can use AI to help your coding life. That's DevRel people trying to assist developers to use AI to be better in their work. So DevRel brings AI close to developers through this means, either through writing about how AI can do that or any other means. Now, the second other means could be creating YouTube videos. So if you've ever gotten an issue and you want to ask, how can AI help me do this? We've seen certain AI that translates Figma files into raw HTML and CSS files. That's easy work. So you could have asked yourself, how can AI help me to build how to translate a Figma design into raw HTML codes or CSS codes? Whoever is going to teach how to do that is most likely going to be a DevRel person. So the role for DevRel is taking the technology and helping you know how to use it better. The YouTube videos, there are some that even go as much as creating courses. I think I saw a course that says 10x your developer experience with AI. So it teaches you how to use ChatGPT like a master, like a madman, how to use ChatGPT to build applications. That is how developers try to help you developers, or any people in the building space, to use AI better in your work. There are those two that have webinars, one-on-one sections that using Zoom or any other, teleconferencing software to teach developers how they can use AI. So I think the entire aim of getting AI close to developers is to take this AI and show developers how they can use it. So it's like a bridge. They're trying to bridge the gap between AI and the adoption of what developers use it. We've seen Devin AI where they say, oh, it is the first AI. I think we're going to talk about that very shortly. But entirely, the aim is that DevRel is taking these AI to you developers or any other developers out there to teach you how to use AI to 10x. I think it's what 10x, yeah, 10x, yeah, 10x your activities and how AI can help you be better in just different form documentations, videos, articles, courses, webinars, masterclass and workshops, code labs, whatever is what DevRel people are trying to do. The second way DevRel can play a role in the adoption or the widespread AI is by building AI-focused communities. We've seen communities that focus on JavaScript, focus on, Figma, focus on different things. But then DevRel is also building, the role is to build communities that focus just on AI. How can we build AI solutions? So they are helping those in the communities by giving them resources, holding events. So an example of events is what you're holding right now. There are those who hold AI events every single time because their focus is how can we use AI to build solutions. And so it could be meetups, it could be conferences, it could be whatever that would help developers build a community to learn together, to build together, to get funding together. So DevRel people are building communities. There are so many communities around AI. You can find them. There used to be Data Nigeria at the time. Talk about AI, machine learning, they were so big then. There are other small developer communities also coming up on board. So yeah, DevRel people build communities around AI to help you and I, if you have those who are interested, get up to speed, get help, get resources. They build it. It could be Discord, it could be virtual, it could be, physical communities. They build communities to help developers build better and of course adopt the AI technologies in different capacities. The last is DevRel people provide a human touch to AI. AI is not intelligent as humans. There are mistakes, there are failures. DevRel people complement these failures. They, mitigate these failures and help developers better their work with this with human touch is lacking with AI. We know we've seen this Devin AI that was launched, the first AI software engineer that built solutions and with different opinions on Twitter, social media about it is possible AI going to replace us, all of those issues. The answer is no. We're going to see more use cases of AI. We're going to be seeing more solutions, more automations. They will not replace developers, but rather it's going to be complements. And so DevRel people stand as the bridge between these complements and how developers can use it better. So a developer person in Devin is going to be working closely to find issues. Where is Devin lacking? For example, if you are a developer, I am a developer person, and Devin AI hires me to be a developer manager or developer relations engineer, developer engineer for their AI. I will take the AI to you as a developer, use it. Any issue you tell me. So I will be standing as a mediator between you and AI. So any issues you have, I'll go back to the team, we're going to rebuild, we'll come back again. So I'll be doing that again and again until you find success in the product. So they provide human touch to AI because without that, there are going to be problems. They give you best practices to use the solutions. At a time when we had chatbots, I mean, now chatbots are a lot smarter, but back then they were not. So the issue we said was we told developers, if you're going to build a chatbot from the beginning, let the human who's going to chat with this chatbot know that this is not a human. So when the human types hi, the chatbot will reply. So in that first reply, tell the human that you are not a human, that you are an AI. That's like, I don't know if this makes sense, but like the first, rule we tell everybody building chatbots then. So these are the ways where DevRel works so much with developers and how they can provide the human touch side of AI. AI will be AI, it's mechanical, it's not human, it lacks emotions, it cannot think properly. So DevRel will stand in there to help these, to actually help these failures, in quote, failures, yeah, and stand in and help, developers mitigate these issues properly. We've seen developers, apologies if it's not too clear, but yeah, we've seen developers across different technologies. DevRel rather, DevRel for TypeScript, there's DevRel for Kotlin, DevRel people managing Android, AWS, there's DevRel. So all of these DevRel people are helping developers build on the web, on the back end, on the mobile, on infrastructure based, Docker, Terraform. Everybody in the DevRel is trying to make it easier for everybody, for developers. So it's not different, it's the same for AI. So but then DevRel people are trying to provide the human side of it. So in summary, DevRel is trying to do three things. One, DevRel provides a bridge that brings AI more closer to developers. They help developers to see practical ways where they can use AI to increase their productivity, to be solution faster. They provide tutorials alongside videos, courses, all of those things. And second, they build developer communities focused on AI to provide developers with resources, ideas, supports, conferences, events, physical, online that can help developers build better, developers learn better, and get support they need to create more solutions in AI space. And lastly, they provide a human touch that AI is lacking for developers to use, and of course, be the mediator between AI and developers. So this is how this goes. DevRel is a booming career. There's so many fields open up, so many career paths and roles that are possible for DevRel. So if you want to become a DevRel professional or to become a DevRel person in your career, you're trying to transition, whatever it is, a Bcamp has the resources needed for you to do that. So I spoke to Sophia, and as a way to support the entire AI movement, entire community for GDSC, more you. So this is Bcamp giving a discount. It's crazy because there's a whole lot of discounts to everyone in this event, everyone in the community who wants to begin a career in DevRel. So this is the form. Fill the form. There's just 4 questions. and we'll actually, take it off from there and give you an email. Then we can proceed from there. So once again, thank you so much. Any questions you have, you can ask Sophia. I can find a way to respond when I can. But yeah, thank you and enjoy the rest of the events. And let AI love you.